Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Last week I shared how to make this DIY faux galvanized metal charger, and I asked you guys if you guys wanted to learn how to make this napkin ring, and all of y'all said yes. So in this video, I'm not only bringing you this napkin ring, I am bringing you two more. So if you want to learn how to make them, please keep watching. Alright, so for these napkin rings, you are going to use this 6-pack of napkin rings that you can get at your local Dollar Tree. You are also going to use some natural raffia, and you can find these in the floral section of Dollar Tree, and they come 3 to a pack. Okay, so you're going to undo the little bundles, and you're going to get about 4 raffia pieces. So you can tie them at the end and knot them up, or you can wrap them up around something. Now, the candlestick is a really bad example. I just needed something to show you guys in order to see what I'm talking about. Now, what I'm doing is I'm wrapping this around the candlestick, and then I'm dividing up the raffia pieces into 3 little bundles so I can start making a braid. Now, when you're doing this, of course, make sure you use something that will not move like this candlestick again. This is just for showing you guys what I'm doing, but make sure it's something really sturdy that can pull on the little raffia pieces while you're braiding it, and just follow the braid all the way till the end. Okay, and now you're going to take your napkin ring after you've done the braid, and I swear this is the same kind of napkin ring. I had just painted it white earlier to do something else and it didn't work out, and I figured I'd go ahead and use this, that way it doesn't go to waste. Then you're going to take your glue gun and you're going to start adhering one end of the little braid onto the edge of a napkin ring. And you're going to start working your way around. Now when you get all the way around to where that first part started, I take out the little knot, glue it down, then I glue the braid over the little end of the braid. Then I shift it ever so slightly and begin my second row around the napkin ring with the braid. Then when I finally make it to the end, I cut the end of the braid. And then I just adhere the individual little pieces, as you see here, at the very end of the napkin ring. And then I kind of fold them inside the napkin ring and I adhere them on the inside. This helps it from unraveling. And of course, here is that place setting. Y'all, before I even start, check this out. Do you guys see this little piece of magic eraser that was just flung at me? You guys, I was alone the entire time I was crafting. And what's even freakier is that I didn't even notice that until I was doing the voiceover for this video and I saw it just pop in my screen. I guess I was so focused on what I was showing you guys that there it is. I didn't even notice it. But somebody threw that at me and I was completely by myself. Oh my God. Okay, so now to the DIY. You're going to need this ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's a beautiful buffalo check with these little cute pom-poms. It cost $3.99 originally, but I did get it for half off. And it's the perfect size to fit around these napkin rings. It's absolutely perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover it up. Alright, so what I do is I look for one of the seams on the little napkin ring, and then I just put glue across it and then start adhering the very end of the ribbon onto that little line of glue. Now once that end of the ribbon is secure onto the napkin ring, I begin to put glue on the rest of the ring and keep rolling it over itself on top of the ribbon, and then just let it wrap around. Then when you get back to the original piece of ribbon, you're just going to cut it, then fold that end in half over itself, and then just glue it down with some more hot glue. And here is the setting I did for this one. I use a black placemat, a white charger from Dollar Tree, a little burlap leaf, also from Dollar Tree. This plate is also from Dollar Tree. They do come 4 to a pack during the holidays. And then I added that really cute buffalo check napkin ring to a white napkin. Okay, so on to the last napkin ring DIY. You're going to use these cute little DIY stickers from Dollar Tree. And you're going to want to remove the little sticker tabs on the back. So once those are removed, you're going to take a drill with a really small drill bit and you are going to make one little hole per leaf. Next, I took my folk art antiquing wax and I put it in a small little bowl and I watered it down a little bit, and then I began to stain the little leaves. I did one coat and removed the excess with a paper towel. And then I let them dry. Then once those are dry, I'm going to take some of Dollar Tree's baker's twine. And I am going to use some of the same wooden beads that I used for my DIY farmhouse Christmas ornaments that I showed you guys. And I am going to be using the medium-sized little wood beads for this. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a little piece of tape, wrap it around the end of the little baker's twine, and that way it's going to make it easier for me to actually insert it through the beads. So first I am going to feed 6 beads, then I'm going to feed the little leaf, and then I'm going to feed another 6 beads. So I'm going to use 12 beads total for this. Then after that's done, I am going to tie the ends in a knot, and then I'm going to cut off the excess, and that's pretty much it for this napkin ring. And of course, I made a simple place setting for this as well. And of course, you know I'm going to ask, did you like the raffia one? Did you like the buffalo check one? Or was the little beaded one your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you hit like if you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so you can get more DIY inspiration like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, adios!